We are pleased to introduce to you our new doorway disinfection system. The Euspray is a professional solution to sanitize people, their clothing, and equipment in small spaces or entrances, quickly and effectively, just in 15 seconds. Easy to install and fully automatic, disinfect 450 people with a single charge. It will not affect the skin, eyes, or the respiratory tract. The dry fog dispensing system is automatically activated as someone passes beneath, and returns to standby mode, ready for the next person to enter. The external lights indicate when the disinfection cycle is complete, and it is possible to leave the doorway. Thanks to its pneumatics atomizers, the disinfectant is distributed as ultrafine mist, which provides full coverage disinfection without wetting clothes, skin, or electronic devices.